like, I mean design industry, like graphic design. Step lang yung sa mga engineering. Si iba na yun. More on visuals. Okay. Hello Jeff. Gabi sa'yo. LP. Hello guys. So, guys, tapos na akong kumain ng kayo ba guys? What's the thing nga? Baka may medyo interrupt. Okay, let's start no? Ano natin? So, hello everyone. No? Welcome sa another session natin. Of course, design for everyone. This is our weekly session for Ayoyat, right? Which is our goal is to teach beginners, of course, other experienced designers, as a refresher no, sa kanila, on different concepts of UI and UX. So ngayon, we'll be doing case analysis. Another case analysis. Actually, we did no previously the case analysis, but it's about landing pages, how landing page conversion, um, contacts and perceptions. Yeah. So this is but ngayon, focus tayo sa TikTok guys, no? Why TikTok is addictive, right? So last week, yung session natin is about typography, right? We already discussed two topics, no? Kasi from part 1, part 2 last week, and then siguro next week is part 3. Sorry guys. Or part 1 we discussed the introduction to typography, and the part 2 we discussed the guidelines and principles in typography. And then in part 3, which is next week, we will be applying all of the things that we have learned no, from those things, right? So we will be designing. Kasi we already discussed colors, and we already discussed, and we are near done sa typography. So we can apply those concepts that we have learned to face na sa designer. So, but ngayon, TikTok, right? We are all familiar guys, no? Kasi sino ba naman hindi? TikTok is very popular, especially in the Philippines. Sobrang mga content creator, and then it's entertaining, no? And it's very addictive. But why, no? Bakit nga ba yung TikTok? Um, it's very addictive. We can say na because we can say different reasons, but we can still justify it if we don't know the work behind it, right? So what we will do tonight is to analyze how TikTok did these things in order to be successful, right? And, as a UI UX designer, so actually you could help yourself improve by analyzing different apps, no? Successful apps, how they implement something, and compare and contrasting it to other platforms, right? So ngayon, yan yung gagawin natin. So what are the psychology of user behavior, addictive feed, and infinite scroll? Now, there is no denying, right? TikTok is very addictive. Pero bakit nga ba? So tingin nyo guys, what is the reason? Give me one reason, no? Any reason you think, chat nyo lang sa ano natin, sa chat natin. Give any reason why TikTok is very addictive. No? Not only my words guys, no? But also based on stats. People spend most of their time TikTok, no? Which is can also compromise mental health to end. You will mention that ba? Okay, send nyo lang guys ano yung sa tingin nyo. Uh, TikTok is very addictive. What do you think? Uh, Study the Bastard Album, short duration videos. Right. Short form videos. Ano po guys? So, that's ano, no? That's correct. Ano ba guys? Tingin niyo. What do you think? TikTok, ano nga ba yung main reason? Right? And why do we care? Right? Sabi ni Aaron, yung algorithm po. Um, can you emphasize on that one? I mean, elaborate. Sorry. Sabi ni Aaron, naka-specify yung algorithm focus sa one matter. Yun, user preferences. Good one. Why do we care, no? As a designer, send nyo lang yung mga answer nyo guys. But why do we care as a designer? Kasi helps us understand what design works and what design won't work or don't work. No? Kasi as a designer, you need to stand on the shoulders of giants. Don't ever think to the end think to it unless you know what you're doing. But again, we care because we want to know how. This addition of knowledge, no? As a not only as a designer but also a aware being, right? Aware individual, how it works. So, sabi ni Jeff, user-friendly po. Siya po kasi very familiar yung sa ating mga users UI niya something like user-friendly po. Yes, okay. Nice. Buffalo Albot says short duration, short form, parent algorithm, is user preferences, Ninja, user friendly. So we will know now. So uh, let's explore let's know by exploring the onboarding, right, of TikTok. Start tayo sa onboarding. We'll know what are the different reasons why TikTok is very effective, right? So, actually, three na answers given by our three participants is all correct, no? But we will know why. So, if you first install TikTok, guys, you see this, ano, no? This onboarding. So, despite the hype, right? Na if you open TikTok, you can already see videos. There's still onboarding. Thankfully, you can skip, no? You can click skip, so you can skip this. You can literally don't need to sign up, no? Compared to other platforms like Twitter, Facebook, that don't allow you to see contents if you are not signed in, no? That's why Reddit is also effective, guys, kasi they allow users to not sign in first so they can explore the platform before they can engage, no? So, but after skipping, guys, you will see they want TikTok wants you to select interest, no? But in a UX perspective, guys, this is too much choice, too many choice, no? If you have learned about our Hicks law, the time it takes for users to make decisions increases when there are multiple choice. In our case, maraming choice tayo, right? So this is some kind of bad example of the US, but again, it's not about since it's not about it. Let's continue now. So although the algorithm TikTok naman guys is actually relies on your behavior, no? It's relies on more on your psychological behavior than sa options na finish nyo, right? Kasi along the way, as you scroll, you will encounter different forms or different categories of ano naman of videos. So the algorithm is TikTok is based on your behavior. So instead of doing this as a designer, no, you can minimize them by categorizing them into much fewer options, right? Like this one, right? So we divide it into funny, animals, mandolin, tiny killers, and etc. etc. So it's applied the Hicks law effectively, right? Something like this. So it's also a surprise me. So a designer can approach it like this. Probably if TikTok will implement this, they can increase their conversions, you know, or users. But again, they already had so many users there. So although for now, let's go with these options. No, let's pick comedy and animals. So okay, so I just need to swipe up. No, Seems simple. Very simple lang talaga na thing. So after nun guys, we enter the first, right? First video, right? Steve Krug puts it guys, which is the author of a book, no? I think I forgot about it, but it's also about UX. He says that nothing important should ever be more than two clicks away. Although it's not two clicks away, what I mean by this is TikTok, right, allows you to enter the app without too many processes, right? Unlike Facebook, unlike other Instagram, right? Instagram, you need to sign up and then you need to verify your username, you need to verify your. There's so many things to do, right? So most users, that's why TikTok is very effective because they apply this concept, right? So it's called reduced friction, right? TikTok's onboarding guide has been designed to quickly immerse users in content, right? That is the meat, right? Meat of the app, content. I mean, every social media naman talaga, the meat of the app is content, right? But if it takes longer to reach that meat, no, uh, users will more likely to, you know, prefer those processes na mas madali makapunta doon sa content, right? That is, this is one concept that TikTok applies. It's called reduced friction. Now, compared sa other na mga social media platform guys, TikTok has a relatively minimal onboarding process. No? As you have seen, they ask if you want to sign up, then you can skip it. They also ask about the categories you like. After that, they instruct you what to do, then swipe, then you already in the content. Only three steps or three screens, no? If you go to like Instagram or Facebook, they take a lot more screens before you can get to the meat, no, of the app. Now, for example, like this, we have pick, no? It's also very appreciative na. What we pick on the categories is what the ones that also shows up no, at first, right? We pick funny, I mean comedy and animals, and then it shows a funny video of an animal. No? So another thing is the app utilizes the full screen guys. No? Unlike any other for example Facebook, since their main content is not just videos, they kinda don't have this applied no. But in TikTok guys, since all of them are videos, if you can see the UI, they utilize the entire screen, no? Your screen. This makes the app more immersive, right? Also, there is also a reminder, no? Very perfect. After you watch the first video, it reminds you to swipe for more, right? It's very timing talaga. After you have seen the first video, it suggests you, it instructs you to swipe. Why this is important now? Because it has to do with habit formation, right? What do I mean by this? So that the strategy of TikTok guys actually hinges or capitno itself in this kind of habit, right? Because it's developed long-term engagement, guys. How? Wait lang. So, it's called TikTok needs no you to swipe just once, right? To start that domino effect or let's say chain reaction. Why? Kasi the most important action guys in sa TikTok na onboarding is habit forming, right? It's kind of like dominoes. No? If you think about dominoes, you push first one, and then it creates a chain reaction. Now, we might we might not notice it, but on that first uh, scroll, guys, on the first video, that is the most important part of its onboarding, right? Kasi it allows you to go to the next one very quickly. You will know about that one. So I swipe, right? it shows a content, right? It show a content personalized to what I have click, no, sa yung sa onboarding nila. So so let's say for example I live in uh, Montreal, right? Let's for example I live in Montreal. So I will be both depend kung anong person kayo, I will be both shocked or amazed, no, how they know na malapit ka from the Montreal, right? Kasi most of the app kasi na ginagamit natin has content personalization. Most na mga videos na pinapakita nila is localized, right? How does TikTok know your location already, right? Although I did not explicitly share my location yet, but how did it do it? No? Most websites, guys, or apps do something like IP sniffing, right? Uh, if you haven't know about this one, this is where based on your connection, they locate your IP so they can do content personalization, right? If you are in the Philippines, they will show you lahat ng mga videos from Philippines. If you prefer it, for me sa TikTok ko is it's mostly on other countries, no, but still showing localized video. Now, for you as a user, it might be convenient, no, but for others, it's a bit intrusive, right? Kasi it's kind of like I mean sa privacy ng tao at saka yung pag-handle yung user data nila. Kasi most people kasi concerned about their data, especially the information of on which you live, right? So it's called IP sniffing, no? That's for personalization. Okay, dinaanan lang natin, but let's go back. Anyway, let's swipe again. So we see this video, right? TikTok content, guys, is short form, di ba? Na-notice na natin yan. Typically ranging from 15 to 60 seconds, right? Here's another thing why TikTok is successful. Micro interaction, right? Its use of short form video, guys, provides user with quick engaging content, no? Encouraging interaction and sustained usage. How? Paano nga ba? So, most if not all people, guys, have limited cognitive capacity. What do I mean by this? Attention span, right? We all have limited attention span. TikTok use, kasi in digital age, guys, there's so many information, ano, that our brain are not computers that basically process every information we see. So, a way where we can consume information in a short form, short na way is very effective for people. Kasi most people have very little attention span. Not because they are born with little attention span, no, but because they are developed or they have diminished attention span uh, because of TikTok or other social media apps, no, or information, too many information. So this allows users, guys, to engage sa content na tinitingnan nila without feeling overwhelmed, right? Kasi if you are, sino ba sa inyo naka-experience na uh, see interesting YouTube videos but mga kalagitnaan ng YouTube videos you already feel tired, no, and don't want to continue the video, right? For me, I experienced that one. That's why TikTok is very effective kasi they do this thing, right? They prefer uh, short form content, short form videos that allows users to consume some information but don't overwhelm them, right? It can also entertain them. So anyway, let's swipe again. Oh, this time we did not receive funny. We received funny videos, but not animals, no? Kagaya ng categories natin. And then, as we swipe again, we received some pretty weird na mga videos, right? Pretty weird na mga videos. Oh, although okay lang naman kasi nakakatawa lang naman, but then all of a sudden, it showed me a very different content, no, out of nowhere, right? And very unexpected. shows a video of a roller coaster. Now,
Now,
although after
although
some scroll,
after some
it
scroll,
pulls us
it
back, no,
pulls us back
on
on
some
some
engaging videos.
engaging
Although
videos.
initially
Although
it's not
initially it's not
uh,
uh,
about animals
about
na, saka
animals na, saka
both funny and
both
animals.
funny
It
and
can be
animals. It
either or,
can be
no?
either
It
or.
can be either
It
funny
can be
or
either funny or
animals na
animals na
yung recommend.
yung
TikTok tries to
TikTok
show you
tries to show
another
you
content.
another
If you've
content.
been
If you've
interested,
been interested,
again,
again,
they will
they
monitor, no,
will monitor
how
no
long
how long
you'll check
you'll
the video out,
check the video out,
and they will
and they
assume
will
that you
assume
like that
that
video,
you like that video,
therefore recommend
therefore
more videos,
recommend
something
more
like that,
videos, something like that.
right? So that
Right?
is called
So that is
hook
called
model, guys.
hook
So
model, guys.
hook
So
model by
hook model
Engineer
by
EL
Engineer EL
is consists of
is
four elements,
consist of
no?
four elements,
Trigger,
no?
action,
Trigger, action,
variable, reward,
variable,
investment.
reward, investment.
Why TikTok
Why
is very
TikTok is very
is also
also
is
I mean
addictive
is addictive
is
is
because of this thing,
because of this thing,
right?
right?
What do I mean by
What
this?
do I mean by this?
So
So
let's
let's
uh,
uh,
eh, uh, analyze it, no? Isa-isahin
analyze it.
natin
No?
kung
Isa-isahin natin kung
how TikTok
how
utilize
TikTok
trigger,
utilize
action,
trigger,
variable,
action,
reward,
reward,
and
reward,
investment
investment.
in their app,
Their
right?
app, right?
First is
First
trigger
is
from the
trigger
hook model, no?
from the hook model. No?
Users open the app,
Users open the app,
scroll sa feed,
scroll sa feed,
and then
and then
because of
because of
a keen
a keen
interest to be entertained,
interest to be
or they are
entertained,
bored,
or
so
they are bored,
that is
so
the trigger, no?
that is the
If you
trigger.
haven't
No?
seen
If you haven't seen
the first
the first
UI, guys, yung
UI, guys,
parang
yung
swipe up
parang
to
swipe up
for more,
to for
that is
more,
the
that
trigger,
is the trigger,
right?
right?
After the trigger,
After
guys,
the
we
trigger,
have the
guys, we
action,
have the action,
right? So
right?
users
So users
just swipe up,
just swipe up,
right? Very
right?
minimal effort
Very
to
minimal
get to
effort
the
to
next
get to the next
content, which is the
content, which is the
next meat, right?
next meet.
And then after the action, we have
Then
variable
after the
reward.
action, we have
How?
variable rewards. How?
TikTok offer different
TikTok offer
genre
different
of videos,
genre of
no?
video
You can
videos.
either
No?
learn
You can
something
either
new,
learn something new,
be entertained, or be surprised by the
or
video,
be surprised with the
right?
video,
But still
right? But
personalized to each
still
user
personalized
preferences.
to each user
That's
preferences.
how TikTok
That's how
or
TikTok
videos from
or
TikTok is
videos
very
from TikTok
engaging.
is very engaging.
Lastly is investment.
Lastly is
After
investment.
people
After
know the
people
value
know the
na
value,
very easy to use,
very easy to
very
use,
user
very
friendly,
user
very
friendly,
entertaining,
very
they
entertaining,
invest
they
in it,
invest in it,
liking, commenting,
liking, commenting,
creating their own
creating
content,
their own
and
content,
then
and then
repeating the habit loop,
repeating the habit loop,
right? That is the
right?
hook
That is the
model.
hook model.
This
This
one of the concepts that
one of
TikTok
the concepts that
applies
TikTok applies
to their app,
to the app,
right? TikTok
right?
videos
TikTok
are
videos
addictive
are
for
addictive
mainly
for
three reasons.
mainly three
They
reasons.
are short,
They are short,
or kasi
or
16
kasi
seconds in
16
average,
seconds in
di ba?
average, di ba?
Compared to YouTube videos
Compared
na
to
sobrang haba,
the
5 minutes,
sobrang haba,
10
5
minutes,
minutes, 10
right?
minutes, right?
Snap, which is
Snap
meaning
is
walang
meaning
patutungahan or walang aim,
tumahan or walang
right?
aim,
You just flick your
right? You
finger
just
and
flick
then
your finger
you,
and then
you go through the next
you go through
content,
the next content,
right? And every
right?
single
And
video
every single video
will be immersive.
will be immersive.
If you if you don't like it,
If
you
you
can
don't
just
like it, you can
scroll
just
up
scroll
again,
up
which is
again,
a very
which is
simple
a very
trigger, guys,
simple
no?
trigger, guys.
Very simple
Very simple
na
na
actions to take in
actions to
order to
take
get
in
to the
order
next
to get to
entertaining
the next
content.
entertaining content.
Thirdly is surprising,
Thirdly is
right?
surprising, right?
Yun nga, sabi ko nga, you
Yun
either
nga, sabi ko nga, you
learn
either learn
or matatawa or
matatawa
ma-weird
or
out
weird out
or something
or
na you
something
get
na
personalized,
get
right?
personalized.
This is a
Right?
mix of
This is a
very
mix
low
of
cognitive
very
task,
low
which is
cognitive
you
task,
do not
which is
do
do not
anything other than
anything other than
watching and flicking,
watching and
right?
flicking,
Flicking your
right?
fingers
Flicking your fingers
or swiping,
or swiping,
but
but
has a high
has
reward,
a
no?
high reward.
It's kind of like
It's
low
kind of like
effort,
low
high reward,
effort, high
right?
reward,
Kasi it keeps you
right? Kasi it
entertained.
keeps you entertained.
That's what hooks
That's what
people
hooks
to the app.
people to the app.
It's called content
It's
and
called
dopamine,
content and dopamine.
right? The endless content
The
from
endless
these
content
tabs
from
na
these
ginagawa
tabs na
ginagawa nyo,
ginagawa nyo,
it releases
it
dopamine, guys.
releases dopamine.
If you don't know what
If
is
you don't
dopamine
know
is,
what is dopamine is,
it's a
it's
chemical
a chemical
that brain
that
release
brain release
nire-release ng brain
nire-release
in
ng
order
brain
for
in
you to
order
feel
for you to
satisfied,
feel
no? Or
satisfied
feel good,
or feel good,
right?
right?
That's what video
That's
actually,
what
guys, this
video
is not
actually guys, this
my
is not
saying, no?
my
This
saying,
is
no?
from a
This
study
is
rin
from a study rin.
that the more you entertain,
The more you
the more
entertain,
dopamine
the more
it is, no?
dopamine it is,
But
no? But
doesn't mean you have
doesn't
dopamine.
mean you have dopamine.
Doesn't doesn't mean you
Doesn't mean
get many
get
dopamine.
many
Does
dopamines.
mean
That's mean
you have a healthy
you have
mental
a
health, no?
healthy mental health.
kasi it's very different thing. But again, TikTok videos produces allows the brain to produce dopamine because of its entertaining and engaging content, right? And it's also very short. You don't need to think about it, no, very deep, unless it's a meme that you don't understand, something like that. So with every swipe, guys, sa TikTok, it presents a kind of like of surprise, no, surprise sa iyo. It leaves you curious and wanting for more, right? Kasi every video can be anything you can think of, which is very interesting concept, no? It's a combination of anticipation, reward, and curiosity. You anticipate there will be something na lalabas that you know entertaining. The reward is that one, but you have also curiosity kung ano yung lalabas, right? And there are things that can stop you, know, from clicking you, ano. But again, the effort it takes to go to the next video, guys, is very minimal. That you either flick, no, your fingers, siguro mga 20 more before you get out of the app, or siguro yung parang you too immersed on the app that you forgot ano yung oras, right? Kasi it's very little effort with high reward. This is the very concept of it, no? Although this approach, guys, is very effective, it's also dangerous, no? But again, profit is profit. In terms of TikTok, if they do really care about the users, they can implement three things. Break, which is um, they could give you other videos, right? They can give you other videos that you might not be interested in, so you can get out of the app kasi na boring ka na because of these videos. Or they can also use friction, kasi yun nga, friction in TikTok, guys, is basically non-existent, no? What I mean by this is, it's very easy to go to the next content, right? It's basically just one swipe. That is little to no friction, right? In terms ano, that's if TikTok want really cared about the user's well-being, they can apply friction, right? Also, they can also apply loss. Kasi most TikTok users, guys, won't notice they lost so many time, right, watching videos. They can do something like this in order for you to know, or in order to remind you that, hey, parang you already spending too much time in TikTok. Maybe take a break, something like that. They can do something like this, right? You just watch 250 videos in 60 minutes. You have plenty more, but for now you deserve a break. Something like this. If TikTok really, but again, more engagement means more profit, right? And unless there is something na negative talaga or very dangerous in terms of physical nila, TikTok really won't apply this one. Maybe in the future. This is called a 6-point state. No? As a designer, as a designer, we should be aware of this. When we create an app that entertain us engaging and entertaining like TikTok, we should allow users to have an exit point, right? It basically disengage, no, from your product with a sense of completion. If you disengage them without a sense of completion, they will be also frustrated. If you disengage them, if they are but otherwise they won't stop, no? Like TikTok, unless they have some self-control or some sense na, hey, kailangan ko nang matulog or something like that. So we need to add exit points. Now, why? Uh, because it not only develop long-term user retention, meaning user will probably go back after some time, but it's also basically the humane thing to do, no? Kasi user spending too much time on an app is not really good for your well-being and mental health. No? As we have seen, your screen time, right? I think I've heard people should only have 2 hours screen time per day. Diba? Very little, right? And then if makatingin din sa Facebook, they almost spend 3 to 5 hours sunod-sunod, right? So it's also a very dangerous approach, no? But again, UX, I mean TikTok use this UX law in order to increase engagement, right? But here are five main TikTok UX laws you should know now that they applied on their app. You could also apply on your app, right? First one is Hicks law. We have already mentioned it before. It basically means, guys, the more choices you have in something, the more time you need to choose uh, between those options. No? That's basically Hicks law. Now, how did TikTok apply this one? This is a TikTok UI, guys. It's very simple, right? Uh, it has this knob here and then thing in this one here. The users have very little um, something na parang very little interaction sa content unless they click, no? Kasi for example, um, sa TikTok, you need to swipe and then you need to stop, right? To stop your finger, and then if malapas ka sa video, you need to scroll back, parang ganon. So Hicks law have very little options, no? If you can see, you can click the video to pause it, you can click it again to uh, tawag niyan, to apply it. For example, guys, if you compare it to YouTube, if you scroll to YouTube, so many videos to pick from, right? It's basically it basically defeats the purpose of this vlog. In TikTok, guys, one video at a time, right? So you don't have too many choice. It makes it has less cognitive load sa iyo, which is more users prefer. Instead sa YouTube that there's so many things to choose from. Another thing that I mean UX law, the TikTok applied is Fitts law, right? Fitts law is basically assess na the larger the object, or for example, a button, guys, no? If malaki yung button, mas madali maklik ng user. If maliit, mas mahirap, right? It's basically again giving users the minimal effort as much as possible, right? Yung spacing, for example, you have a form and then you want to submit it. If people, if you place the button at just under the form, it will be much more effective than placing the button on the left side, on the right side, no, of the form, right? So in TikTok, guys, if you can see, filter is applied. This one, very dikit lang talaga. If you want to like, you can click this one, and then you just move a little bit sa ibaba and click the comment if you want to comment, and then share, right? Everything, every related functionality you can do here, which is very malapit lang. And then here, dito rin. Actually, guys, this is also the follows yung mobile na ano na UX, which is this area. Basically, this area can be reached by your thumb, no? You don't need to hold your phone dalawang kamay. You can just hold it one hand, and then you can do basically anything you want. I mean, basically anything you need with using one hand. Kasi sa Facebook, you should, if you wanna search, you basically reach sa taas ng UI, so you should record another hand. So that's Fitts law, no? Everything you need is very dikit, right? It's not diverse. That's why it's very effective. Another is Miller's law. Now, Miller's law is, we have already mentioned this. People can only hold seven. No? Seven is the perfect number for people. They can only hold seven specific information at once, right? Parang RAM, right? After seven information, you run out of memory. For example, in the army, guys, if you are given instruction, it's not very comprehensive. No, instruction given in the army is very straight to the point, right? Kasi they understand the psychology of people that hindi naman sa madali tayong makalimot, but it's a natural response for a person to immediately forget something they just read, no? That's why TikTok utilize this by literally having 15 seconds average video, very little compared sa Facebook, which is much longer. Kasi if hindi mataas yung video mo in Facebook, you won't get your video won't get monetized, right? Including in YouTube. So TikTok defeats those constraints, right? That's why it's effective compared to those apps. Another is just cause principles, right? It's basically a perception that what is near to each other have similar functions or related functions. What do I mean by this? So, if we have mentioned this one, the comment, like, and share is on this one side, right? It's dikit lang sila. So that is just cause principles, right? Ano yung mga it's basically saying na if you have different different functionality but they are all somehow related, in UX guys, you should keep them together or dapat magkalapit sila, right? Kasi people will perceive those things na magkalapit and pareha ng mukha. For example, this one, white and white and then something like this, pareha ng size, as similar, right? For example, this one, we know that this 4 is similar na navigation kasi we know from the color, from the arrangement of the icons and the text, something like that. So that is called Gestalt principle. Another is progressive disclosure. TikTok guys have so many features, no? You can go to a shop, you can text someone, I mean, send a message to someone in back, or you can check your profile. But they don't introduce you these things when you first check it out, no? You just you can literally fall into an endless na na flick, I mean flicking or swiping, right? They only if you need they only the concept of progressive disclosure guys is all features that you have in an app. For example, if you are designing an app, you should not bombard new users with all the features that you have in that app, right? Kasi although you regardless of your how your features is very helpful for the users, if initially they join your app and then you bombard them with different features that probably they need or probably they won't need, it will give them an overwhelming state, no? Yun, Hicks law. There are so many choices. It basically makes them takes time in order to pick some choice, right? So TikTok eliminates this by giving you freedom to scroll, no? Unless you have to go to the profile mo in back and then discover which is it's called progressive disclosure. On other apps guys, their onboarding is basically saying you to do this, right? After you do this, you do this. After you do this, it's basically a tutorial. After that tutorial, they will give you the options to go to the next tutorial. So you will learn further. No? That is called progressive disclosure. So it basically means don't immediately present everything, no, at once. Give time for the users na to adapt, right, to different features. That is called progressive disclosure. So in TikTok, yun nga, sabi ko nga, you can literally swipe endlessly, and then if you need to discover something, if you check the comments guys, you can literally see something na parang you can click if it's the most popular comment. Parang you can click yung blue na comment or blue na ano. So it's a progressive disclosure. They allow you to see na, oh, may features pala ang TikTok na you can search with immediately kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila sa comments without even typing. No? So that is progressive disclosure. So TikTok is successful, right? TikTok has experienced significant success guys from its launch. Now, here are some proofs to you that this law together with other concepts from business works, right? First one is TikTok guys literally have 15 I mean 1.9
I mean
billion
1.9
na users.
billion na users.
If you
If you
if you think about
if
it
you
guys,
think about it guys,
I mean
I mean
with Douyin, if you are not
if you
familiar with
are not
Douyin,
familiar
it's
with Douyin,
basically
it's
TikTok
basically
nga ba
TikTok
for
nga ba
for
for
China,
for
sa China.
China, sa China.
Tawag nila doon is
Tawag
Douyin.
nila doon
If you
is
search
if
that
you
one.
search that one.
So,
So,
it has a
it has a
billion users,
billion users,
right?
right?
Bakit
Bakit
very
very
significant to?
significant to?
Facebook has
Facebook
9
has
billion
9
users, I
billion
think 9 to
users, I
10
think
billion
9 to
users,
10 billion users,
much greater than
much greater than
TikTok. Now,
TikTok.
TikTok
Now,
guys
TikTok guys
gains this
gains
billion
this
users in
billion
just
users in just
2 months,
2
2 to
months,
3 months,
2 to 3 months,
right?
right?
Billion mark
Billion
in 2 to 3 months.
in 2 to 3 months.
Facebook compared to
Facebook
Facebook and
to
Instagram,
Facebook and Instagram,
right? It
right? It
for Instagram guys,
for
it takes
Instagram
them
guys, it
6
takes them
years
6 years
to reach the
to
billion
reach
user
the
mark.
billion user
Sa
mark.
Facebook, it
Sa
takes
Facebook,
them
it takes
4
them
years
4
to reach
years
this
to
figure,
reach this figure,
right? So,
right?
TikTok
So,
just did it
TikTok
around
just did it around
some months,
some months,
right?
right?
And then they
Then
had
they
billion
had
users. So
billion
that's why
users.
it's
So that's
very
why it's
successful.
very
Another
successful.
is it's the
Another
top
is
downloaded
the top
app
downloaded app
sa
sa
Google Play Store,
Google Play
no?
Store.
3.5 times
3.5 times
billion times na
billion
download
times na download
since yung
since
upload siya sa
upload siya sa
Google Store,
Google
right?
Store, right?
So it's very
So
it's also the number
it's
one
also the
downloaded
number
app
one downloaded
in
app
over 40
in over
countries,
40 countries,
right?
right?
So another is
So another is
yun sa
yun
App Store
sa App
dominance,
Store
pinaka
dominance, pinaka
sikat sa
sikat sa
App Store
App Store
in
in
Android
Android
or iOS.
or
So
iOS. So
it's very
it's
successful,
very successful,
right?
right?
Another one is
Another one is
financial powerhouse, which
financial
is
powerhouse, which
50
is
billion.
50
Current
billion.
evaluation for
Current
TikTok, if you
evaluation for
haven't know,
TikTok, if you
is
haven't know,
50 billion,
is 50 billion,
right? It's
right?
also a
It's also a
significant player in the
significant
tech
player in the
industry
tech industry.
kasi it's very
Kasi it's
influential
very
rin.
influential
And yun nga,
and
that's why
yun nga, that's why
TikTok are,
TikTok are
I mean, Congress from the US
Congress from the US
are
are
almost banning it,
almost banning
right?
it,
Kasi I don't know, I don't know the reason, but the ones I know is
the ones I know is
they think
they
that
think that
it's a monitoring system
monitoring
from
system
China,
from
no?
China,
So something like that.
something like that.
And then
And then
lastly is
lastly is
I mean not
I mean
lastly.
not lastly.
Uh,
Oh,
so
so
40% of
40%
Americans
of
guys
Americans guys
use TikTok as a
use
search
TikTok as
engine.
a search
Kahit sa
engine.
Pilipinas,
Kahit
no?
sa Pilipinas,
If you
no?
want to know
If you want to
something,
know something,
either you go to
either you
Google
go to
or you
Google
go to
or you
TikTok,
go to TikTok,
right? But most
right? But
users
most
go to
users
TikTok
go to
in order to
TikTok
know
in
something,
order to know something.
no? Which is
No,
very,
which
also
is
very
also
concerning
very
rin.
concerning rin.
Kasi they might,
Kasi they might,
it can also be, it can also contain
contain
misinformation, no?
misinformation.
But based on the
But
facts
based
or
on the facts
data,
or data,
it's very
very
influential.
influential.
Another is News Hub,
Another is News
no?
Hub. No?
If they want to
If
know
they want to
something,
know something,
they go directly
they
to
go
TikTok
directly to
or they
TikTok
search it
or they search it
on TikTok,
on TikTok,
right?
or
Without even
without
considering
even
if
considering if
i-search muna sa
search
Google, no?
muna sa Google.
I mean,
I mean
43% of
43%
TikTok
of
users, which is
TikTok
also
users, which is also
million na rin,
million na rin.
right?
Right?
Another is, of
Another
course,
is,
entertainment.
of course, entertainment.
53% of users
53% of users
naghahanap ng entertainment
naghahanap
on
ng
TikTok.
entertainment.
That's why
That's
it's
why
a
it's
major
a
entertainment
major
platform.
entertainment
Kasi in
platform.
Facebook,
Kasi in
although you
Facebook,
can find
although you
entertainment,
can
but
find entertainment,
it's very easy
it's
to
very easy to
watch videos
watch videos
than reading
than
text, no?
reading text.
Compared, kasi
Compared
on
kasi
other platform,
on other
you
platform,
should,
you
you read text
you read
before
text
you see the
before you see
picture,
the
or
picture,
you read text
or you
before
read
you see
text
the video,
before you see the video,
right?
right?
Kasi
Kasi
it takes time,
it takes time,
right? As we
right?
have mentioned
As
on
we have mentioned on
Fitz Law or
Fitz
yung
Law
sa
or yung
fiction.
sa fiction.
Another is shopping
Another is
influence.
shopping
So,
influence.
if
So,
ilan ba sa inyo,
ilan ba sa inyo
if
if
if someone that you like
someone
or
that you like
you
or
are biased
you
with,
are biased
no?
with, no?
Posted a product
Posted
or
a product
uses a
or
product, and
uses a
then
product,
you
and then
are
you are
na-influence kayo to buy
influence
to
kayo
also buy that
to
product,
also buy
no?
that product.
Mostly
Mostly
people do that,
people do that,
right?
right?
Sabi ni Jeff,
Sabi ni
oh,
Jeff,
hindi ko na kasi.
oh,
Parang yung po ba yung
parang
button
hindi
sir
ko ba
na
yung
gawa
button
ng
sir
ay
na
agaw pa sa user. Parang hierarchy po ba
parang
yung
hierarchy
button sir
po
na?
yung button sir na.
We will answer that one, no?
Answer that one,
So, ano muna, kasi parang na-confuse
kasi
ako.
parang na-confuse ako.
That is
That is,
shopping influence,
shopping
right?
influence,
The
right?
more
The more
most users on
most
TikTok,
users on TikTok,
right? Or
right?
most users
or
that
most users that
they see their fans
they see their
using a
fans
product on TikTok,
using a product
it will
it
more
will
likely for
more
them
likely
to purchase
for them
also that
to
product,
purchase
no?
also
It's called influence. It's called, as we have mentioned before, is social proof, right? But mostly in TikTok na ngayon. Although it can happen also in Facebook, but mostly in TikTok. So, lastly, second to the last is highest engagement, no? So, um, it, I think it has the highest social media engagement rate per post, guys. You know, so if you can see, if you see this one here, it's only 18%, no? But if you haven't know, Instagram has an engagement of only 3.8%, right? And YouTube has an engagement rate per post of, get this, 1.63%, no? Both of those apps, which also have a very big users, hindi sila naka-half sa engagement per post sa TikTok, which is 18%. That's why most people, guys, they can easily get likes and comments on TikTok compared when they post their posts on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, right? So, kasi it has so many, it has the highest engagement per post. Another is shopping spree, no? 71, which is a very big number, no? Of users purchase something after nila makita, yun nga, parang influence na rin, after nila makita some this product or the platform, no? Especially if if that person is an influencer one, no? If you don't think, if you don't believe na people interaction can influence others, kilala nyo ba si Messi, guys? No? Messi is a football player, right? Um, yung sometime sa interview niya, nakakita siya ng dalawang coke na yung sa after sa game nila, interview niya, may dalawang coke, no? Na bote ng coke, right? I don't know what he's thinking, but tinanggal niya yung bote ng coke and then tinabi niya, right? So wala sa harap niya, parang advertisement, pero tinabi niya. Did you know that that influences people? Kasi after that, TikTok, I mean Coca-Cola, bumaba yung valuation nila after that for some time, right? That's how influential people are or can be, no? Although that's more on the highest na mga influence talaga, but even on little na mga people, if you see them very entertaining or very beautiful or something like that, you will more likely to be influenced by their actions, no? So, TikTok design, guys, captivates users with personalization, short form content, and infinite scrolling. But we as a designers, we should also prioritize ethical engagement, no, for digital well-being. I recommend you guys, if you haven't seen this one, I strongly recommend you to watch The Social Dilemma. No, it gives you an understanding how social media algorithms work. No, sabi nga doon sa movie natin, if you are not praying for a product, right? You are the product. For example, in TikTok, you are not paying anything. In Facebook, you are not paying anything. So basically, that means you are the product that they are selling to advertisers, right? To other companies na based on preferences, based on your preferences, they can advertise videos na mag-promote ng product nila, which is most likely will be influenced. No? So I highly recommend watching The Social Dilemma. No? But this is more on the negative side of social media. But it's also beneficial to know those negative sides, right? So that is this how TikTok works. Uh, that is how TikTok basically uh, raised, no, or successfully did, right? Successfully do or successfully achieve the current situation they have right na very successful sila in terms not only because of the UX yan guys but since mostly sa mga users UX yung nakikita nila but in terms of UX matters talaga but there are also business decisions behind it no and something like that so that is also very I don't know very that taps on the psychology of human being no na what they want what they need is the wants and how can they satisfy the wants and the needs of someone with a very minimal effort that's where people really be engaged no that's how TikTok is very successful right so that is for tonight's case no do you have any other questions I mean do you have questions about this discussion natin not only in TikTok no, but also in other designs so yun let's address this yung question ni Jeff sabi niya nga parang hierarchy po ba yung button search na magkaroon ng agaw pansin sa user if you I also recommend the I mean I strongly really recommend this movie yung movie na sinabi ko Social Dilemma kasi isa sa mga scenes doon uh, they talk with the programmers and designers with the company I think it's Facebook or Instagram they say na they literally spend a day no, or an hour or I mean they literally spend significant hours just to decide where to put the buttons no very crazy talaga na pakinggan pero I think it's true no kasi it really matters based on the laws we have discussed no but that's not really a concern of dark UX no it's more on the just following what users prefer or what makes the users have very minimal effort to achieve the highest return no something like that so does that answer your question Jeff hopefully no so any other questions guys do you have any other questions about this ano mentorship not plan no? Feel free to send that one and don't forget pala to send natin yung mga attendance natin sample attendance unahin ko na lang
Hello, sir. Paano po yung ano, yung... Hello, sir, narinig po ba ako?
wait hello
Hello po. Narinig po. Hello, sir.
wait lang ha parang wala ko na sige nga
Hello, sir. Hello.
sige
Narinig po.
Oh, okay.
Gusto ko po sana yung sa low, yung sa Higgs law.
Oh, Hicks Law.
Paano po pag yung concept nung UX e-commerce? Di ba yung Higgs law po ata is about 7 ano lang po, hindi mare-recognize.
Yes.
1 to 7 lang yung mare-recognize na
Oo.
usually ng mga user.
Oh.
Paano po siya gagamitin sa e-commerce concept na?
So, sa mga hindi baka na may error sa inyo. So, the question is how Hicks Law, which is the law that discusses na the more choices more choices you have, the more time it takes to decide, no? Tama ba? Yan ba yung question mo?
Opo, sir.
Oh, so in e-commerce, guys, you can basically improve it, no? I'm still waiting for an e-commerce talaga to do that. But again, in e-commerce, there are so many products that they will have a hard time applying that law. No, so what they do in order to not compromise those other products, present as much product as possible to the users for profit, of course, but still engaging the users. How? They do it using social proof. No? How? You can see the reviews. You can see the preferred, right? You can see the Shopee Mall, for example, Shopee. You can see the tag na siya yung recently purchased or viewed or most popular, right? You can see the reviews, right? That's called social proof. That's what social. I mean, e-commerce use, right? In order to apply, not necessarily apply the Hicks law, but compromise it in order to still give a interaction or engagement to buyers, no, and promote product as much as possible, right? But again, if siguro I could think something, an approach to implement the Hicks law, no, on e-commerce site, but if I take my time to research, but ngayon I can think of a way to implement it talaga effectively. Kasi yun nga, there's so many products. If you only promote the products you think na uh, will is the most preferred, right? It limits you as a business to promote as much as product as possible, right? Pero again, uh, normally naman talaga if you are shopping, you take time naman talaga in order to ensure the quality, no? So it's not really a matter of of applying Hicks law rin kasi most people naman talaga will take time regardless of there are many options or not. They will still take time naman talaga to buy something kasi yun nga, they do, I mean they want to really get the value of their money, no, or really get the highest return as possible with minimal na monetary incentives or minimal na monetary give, no, something like that. So it's not really a matter rin sa e-commerce. Does that answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
And
yun.
may following question din po ako about sa TikTok.
Yes, ano yun?
Yung pwede di po ba nating ano sir, i-adapt sa e-commerce po? Can we adapt the UX of TikTok in e-commerce?
Wow, anong part?
The whole part sir na may video then may comments. Yung parang you will showcase your product via video and then they can comments, like, and share their thoughts.
Actually that is already implemented by TikTok, no?
TikTok.
Yes, kasi if you scroll far enough in TikTok, you will encounter a video na you did not know sponsored pala, right? Or ads, di ba? So, TikTok effectively utilize it. Pero siguro in e-commerce, um, in Amazon, if you haven't, kasi mostly naman talaga sa atin, haven't used Amazon, but in Amazon, guys, if you search something, for example, let's say TV, if you want to purchase flat screen TV and on Amazon, if they have flat screen TV, guys, on their own company talaga nila, they will most likely to put that no, first, right? And then with little to no distinction na sa Amazon pala to na own products, right? They literally promoting their own product for you to buy instead sa yung mga users na nagbebenta, right? That's how Amazon utilize it, right? They prioritize their own listing of products than sa others, di ba? If you try to search on the Amazon, no? For example, TV, yun. Sa Shopee rin pala. Sa Shopee rin pala. Yes, that's how they implement it, no? Siguro sa Shopee rin, sabi ni Buster Albo. Although mostly na-notice ko is sa Amazon. If you search something, they prefer like Amazon offers or something. Amazon original or something like that. Amazon original, something like that. So, yeah, that's how they applied it. So, any other questions? Ba?
Thank you, sir. Okay na po, sir.
Thank you. So, do you have any other questions, guys? Send nyo nga pala yung mga attendance na guys sa ano natin. Sa call attendance natin. So you can ano. So you will give you pop. Value your pop guys kasi it will ano talaga. It will have value sa amin. To those to anyone na collect enough pop talaga.
internship, internship program. Good luck sa inyo. We look for ya, we look forward for you in working in the team. And abang-abang lang kayo sa message natin kasi we'll be sending it at this week. So yeah, kasi by next week siguro we'll start na talaga the tawag niya? The onboarding. Sabi ni Jeff, sa Discord sir, minsan nakalito yung pag-beginner po. Diba? Sa Discord kasi guys, actually I think they have ano boarding too, but most kasi sa Discord guys, they do not really tend their main users are not new users, no? Their main users are someone who are already familiar with Mac, right? Kasi if you see Discord guys, there's so many options to it, no? Basically, sa home lang ng Discord, there's so many things to do, right? It's not for ano talaga for beginners na mga in tech, right? That's why most people here in Gensa, no? Most people if they are not too techy, they won't know Discord, right? They won't even have a Discord account, no? Kasi I've known people, students, good ano na mga students. But if you ask them, do you have Discord? Sabi nila, ano po yung Discord? Ganyan sila. So, unless you are very techy talaga, which is the target users of Discord, you will not really, you will have a hard time understanding the Discord UI. No? Kasi hindi rin naman talaga yun yung main. Sabi ni Jeff, UX sir, ang gamer. So, any other questions guys? Wala na ba kayong questions? So, yun. So, if you don't have any other questions guys, I think you know. I appreciate everyone na sumali. And send nyo lang yung mga attendance nyo para natin. Thank you so much. No? See you on the next one also na mga internship. Of course, sali rin kayo sa game development natin. So, we support no, sa game development. So, thank you so much guys. No? Salamat na marami. I appreciate your presence here tonight. So, have a good night. Thank you.